I've always been fascinated by the magic show happening right above our heads. Water is constantly on the move, performing an incredible disappearing act called evaporation. When the sun heats up oceans, lakes, and rivers, water transforms into invisible vapor and rises. As this vapor climbs higher, it cools and condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. These clouds are like nature's water balloons, eventually bursting and sending water back to Earth as rain, snow, or hail. That's precipitation. And just like that, the cycle begins again.